In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to delete unwanted emails from Gmail. So the process is really simple. If you want to delete any particular email, then you can just select that email from here. Once you select it, then tap on the trash can icon and then that particular email will be deleted. But if you want to delete all of your emails from Gmail at once, then you can tap on this box at the top and then it will select all of your emails at once, and then you can tap on the trash can to delete all of them, but it might delete your important emails as well. So to fix that, we just need to go to these options. You can see there is this promotional tab, social and updates. If you tap on it, then it will show you all of the promotional emails you received on your Gmail. You can also select any email from here and then repeat the trash can process. But if you want to delete all of the promotional emails, then for that tap on this box at the top and then it will select all of your emails at once. But it has only selected 54 emails and I have received 221 emails here and I want to delete all of them. So for that, what we can do is we need to tap here, which is select all 221 conversation in promotions. Once you select it, then it will select all of your promotional emails at once, and then all we need to do is tap on the delete icon and then it will ask to confirm your bulk action. Then tap on OK. You can see here a notification which says that it will take some minutes because there are multiple emails I have selected. So we just need to wait for a moment and then it will delete all of your promotional emails. Similarly, you can repeat the process for deleting your all of social emails from here. You can just tap on the box at the top, then tap on trash can icon and it will delete all of your social mails. You can also go to the updates and from here you can delete all of mails from here as well. So this is the process to delete your promotional or any social mails. But if you want to delete mails for filters, like if you want to delete any person's mails or if you want to delete any brand mails, something like that, then for that tap on this icon, which is filter icon. If you tap on it, then it will show you this window. Here we can type the sender's email address, and if you tap on search, then it will filter all of the sender's email which you entered here, and then you can select all of their emails at once by repeating the box process, and then you can delete them at once. But if you want to filter it by any words, suppose if I have any unsubscribed mail, so if I type here unsubscribe and if I search it, you can see I have received bunch of mails mentioning unsubscribe here, and I can delete them by selecting this checkmark box, and after that I can tap on trash can icon and all of those unsubscribe mentioning emails will be gone. You can apply your own filters to delete any specific mails containing your own words, and you can create your own filter. For that, go to the filter again and here you can filter it by subject, words, size and date. You can filter it by anything and then just tap on search and select the emails, tap on trash can icon and all of those mails will be deleted. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.